How to use Google Gemini in Bard. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel. We're having a look at Bard, which is actually powered by Gemini, which is Google's AI bot. It is absolutely amazing. So let's jump straight in and have a look at some of the features. Of course, this is the homepage, and the way you're going to get here is by dialing in bard.google.com, and you'll be faced with this page, and it is straightforward. All you need to do is sign in if you have not signed in, and it's absolutely free. You can see over here you have your prompt box, which you can enter pretty much anything you want. Over here it gives you some examples. You have an understand, so you can help solve a problem using videos directly from YouTube. You can view some video insights, and then you can also have a look at history or any other information that you would try to get your head around. There is also a create prompt over here, so if you want to create out of office messages, gaming tasks, taglines, and recipe ideas, of course you can put in anything you want over here. Then there's an explore section, which basically you can explore travel, languages, and you can basically learn with this explore tab. Now, one of the lovely things about Bard is actually its integrative possibilities. What it's actually done is the Google account that you're currently using, which is this one over here. What's happening right now is it's actually using my own data to process information. So let's have a look at some examples. Up on the right hand side, you will see that there is an extensions tab. Now you're going to tap on that, and here you can see that it explains everything about the extensions. You can also go ahead and tap on see extensions in action. You can actually see some examples of exactly what it is to use the extensions. Basically, you can have a bit of a breakdown of what it is and how to use it. But in a nutshell, for example, you can book flights and hotels. You can travel using Google Maps, and this uses your current information on your account. Then you can also go into the Google Workspace, where you can use your Gmail account, your Drive, documents. And basically in Google Workspace, it allows you to go ahead and use documents. You can summarize documents, you can expand documents, you can go ahead into your Drive and you can organize your Drive. You can go into your Gmail account and you can organize, summarize, you can pull out mails that you're looking for. And really, this is a fantastic feature. Moving on now to the YouTube feature, and I think this is absolutely fantastic. Here it says you can help solve a problem, get inspiration, and research a topic. But really, it's a little bit more than that. What it does is it jumps into your channel and it uses your data, and you can actually ask Bard to analyze a video. You can ask it to give you inspiration when creating a video. You can have a look at your channel's analytics and sort of find trends in there that are otherwise not possible. So let us go over to the left hand side. I have some conversations over here that I've prepped, and I'm going to show you some of the conversations that I have. So over here, I'm going to show you the first thing that I started exploring, and it's flights and gift ideas. Basically what I've asked is I will be visiting somebody in a specific area, and I also gave some dates. So basically what happened here is I got some flight options. I also got some images. I got pricing. I got exactly like when the aeroplane will be departing. And as you can see down here, I've got another option. So I've got competitive rates, competitive flight trips, flight plans. You can see over here, I've got a third option. And then I've got some gift ideas for the person that I'm visiting. And with just a little bit of information, it's really given me a lot. The next thing that I did here is I asked, can you find me some hotels in a specific area and suggest things to see while I'm in that area. You can see over here, here's some hotels found in the area, and it also gives you some pricing information again, which is fantastic. And it's given me quite a few options. It's also given me a breakdown of things to see in the area. And the next thing it's done is it's given me the actual links to the hotel. So actually, if I want to book a hotel, I can go ahead and just use this link right here and go straight to their website, and I can book a room. So I don't even have to do anything on my own. I can literally just do everything straight from here. It's basically done everything for me. I can just make the payment and book the hotel room. There is another feature over here. If you want to travel and explore, I said, show me some grocery stores that are close to the entrance of this national park, and give me some good ideas for snacks to bring while hiking. You can see over here, there are some grocery stores. You can see the actual physical address, opening times, which is obviously helpful. There are also some ideas that I've been given for good snacks. You can see down over here that it has given me a map to these places. So if I am on my mobile device, I can literally go ahead and tap any one of these pins and it'll give me a route to that pin, so I can actually get there without having to open a third-party app or opening another app and dialing in the coordinates or finding the pin. I went in now also to my email account and I asked it to give me a summary of all the emails from a particular user, which is Sweatcoin, and over here you can see that it's given me a summary of what all of these emails actually say. It's also given me all of the emails. You can actually see every one of those emails, so if you're looking for specific emails, you can actually search using Bard. The next thing over here is the workflow that I've asked it to create. So I've tapped on, I need to create a workflow for my video production. Please create one for me and show me some videos for inspiration. Now this is great. I need to create a workflow for my videos, my YouTube videos, and over here you can see that it's created a workflow for me. Of course, you need to alter this to your specific needs, but it has also given me some videos that I might find inspirational that I can watch so I can actually improve my workflow. You can see over here that they've actually given me the links to the video, so I can go ahead, literally just tap on that and it'll open it up in YouTube. I can actually start watching the videos. One of the other more important things that I feel is great about Bard is I've basically asked it to take a video and give me a breakdown of the analytics for the video and also share some insight on how to improve the video. And I've dropped the link over here, and over here it's given me a view count, likes, publish date, and some information as to why the video didn't actually do very well. Also, it's given me some insights on how to improve the video, and you can see over here it's quite detailed and it's very, very nice. And it also says, I hope that this helps. You can now also ask for more in-depth analytics. So this video is actually not on this account, so it hasn't given me detailed analytics, but if you're using the same account for the YouTube channel that you're on with Bard, it'll actually give you the detailed analytics. So it'll give you those 28-day, the 7-day, the 1-year analytics, or however long your video has been online. You can see over here that it has given me some basic analytics, and it's a good idea to make sure that your accounts are linked so it can use your own direct information. One of the other things now that I've asked it to do is I have uploaded an image and I actually asked it to describe what is in the image. You can see over here that this is the image. It is actually a poster, and you can see over here it's telling me exactly what is in the poster, even the actual words and the spelling. It also gives me some information about the feature band, and it gives me some background on the actual instruments and the music genre that is actually featured in the picture. And then I asked for a few examples of a poster that is featuring the same band but has a more serious tone, as it told me here that the poster has an overall impression of excitement and energy. So I just wanted something alternative, so it gave me some suggestions over here, and then I asked it for some images. Unfortunately, it did not actually give me images, but that's great. It did give me a breakdown of the actual images and what they would look like. So this has been a nice command in wanting to try and understand how to build an image. Some of the other things that you can see over here is that you can regenerate your draft. So if you just tap on that button, it'll actually rewrite this draft over here. And one of the other nice features is that you can actually edit the commands that you've done. So you can just tap on this pencil icon on the right hand side and you can tap on edit text. One of the other nice things is you can tap on listen. It'll actually read this out to you, which is fantastic. And if you're not completely happy with all of the details of your response that it's given you, you can go ahead and you can tap on good response or bad response accordingly. You can also share and export the actual chat, and then you can Google what was actually done in your actual chat, and you've got a more button. You can copy it completely, and of course if you would like to report that. You can now also upload an image just by using the upload image button on the left hand side of your text prompt, and on the right hand side you have a use microphone button, so you can actually, instead of typing out here, you can actually just use voice to text, and that is a fantastic feature. One of the other things I quite like is when asking it to do something creative, it actually gives you a modify response button at the bottom, and over here you can modify the response that it's given you. You can make it shorter, longer, simpler, more casual, or more professional. In my opinion, Bard and Gemini is actually awesome, and I think it's going to revolutionize AI in general. If you want to know more about AI tips and tricks, you can go ahead and click on this video, and we'll see you there.